Welcome back to another Crawlspace Encounters. Well, let's talk about this one here again. I know people say I'm a little hard on, crawlspaces and all that stuff, but facts are facts. All my videos are based on crawlspace homes. Let's take a look at this situation right here. Got a water heater. It's newer. Definitely has some rust accumulating there. Also, you can see the rust accumulating all right there. That's all cricket poop. But these things wear and tear, man, down here. So the humidity is bad. Heck, this was the original. I don't know. Might still be connected. I don't know, I'm not sure. I don't think it is. But you can see all the rust. Also, other signs, you got mildew growing on the wood beams. So, if you're going to have a crawlspace home, keep the humidity under control so you don't have all this rust accumulation. You can see that box right there is just completely rusted out. Things happen down here with moisture and all that. Give it that this place is fully encapsulated. Look at that. Now, this could be a before or after thing. I'm not sure. But this guy is going to be a problem eventually soon here. They just don't last long enough in these kind of conditions. All right, folks. Hope this helps out a little bit. Keep your crawlspace dry. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.